I've been getting a lot of comments in my recent videos asking like, Vimal bro, can you cover some interesting and value for money PC tech? And guess what? I'm actually starting like a new series for you people. So this will feature all the budget and paisa vasool items you can buy. It can be anything like products, gadgets, interesting tech stuff, or even like PC accessories also, guys. And you know what? I'm actually planning for like a full gaming PC setup around 50,000 rupees budget, and this is going to be like a paisa vasool item, guys, like maximum performance for minimum price invested. For that, I'm actually gathering a lot of items. Couple of them have already arrived, remaining parts are yet to arrive. And guess what? Today, our first accessory is already in the house, our new keyboard. In fact, a lot of people actually keep looking to buy like mechanical gaming keyboards on a budget price tag, right? That too with RGB lighting. You don't want to invest like 5,000-6,000 rupees. No, we're looking for something on a budget price tag that actually fits in our budget. You people came to the right video. In the house, we have a brand new RGB mechanical keyboard from Rapoo. This is their V500 Pro, and this thing actually has like interesting features, guys. Basically, all the things that you might be looking for. You're getting mechanical key switches, RGB lighting is also there, everything controllable directly from the keyboard, no unnecessary software, anti-ghosting is there, spill resistant, and plenty of interesting features. And also, you people know the drill, right? Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, guys, because if this video crosses like 2,500 likes, I will give this keyboard to a lucky subscriber on the channel. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel, and also hit that notifications bell icon on so you can stay up to date with all the updates on our channel. Now let me give you like a closer look at the product and first talk about the design and build quality part. As I've told you, V500 Pro is like a value for money RGB backlit mechanical gaming keyboard, and this keyboard is actually available in like couple of different color combinations. You're also getting like dual tone color schemes at such an affordable price of only around 2,500 rupees. I actually have two variants in the house. This is a complete white edition that comes with like RGB backlighting, and the other one is a white cerulean finish which actually features like blue highlight keycaps here and there. And let me tell you guys, initial impressions as soon as you look at the keyboard, right? It's a beautiful looking keyboard. I mean, for the price that you're paying, it looks quite premium, especially this dual tone color scheme white cerulean model. Talking about the design, it's a full size layout design. You're getting 104 keycaps, and as I've told you, mechanical gaming keyboard at this price point. In fact, keyboard is available in like different options available. Brown switches is there and blue switches is available. The one we have right now in the house is a brown switch variant. Talking about the build quality of the keyboard is also really good. This top panel is entirely made of like aluminum alloy metal finish, while the remaining part of the body it looks like is made of polycarbonate. Still, if you talk about the durability, very good build quality, guys. I don't see any sort of flex no matter how much pressure I'm applying on the body. And on the bottom side, here's how the finishing looks like. You have some details about the product at the center, rubber foot pads on all the corners, and yes, angle adjustment legs are also included. And at the top side, this is where you have a USB 3.0 non-detachable cable. Not braided, I would say, but still very thick and good quality cable they've used. Length, if you ask, I think it's around like 1.5 meter standard cable length only, so you can easily use it in your setup. Anyways, let me quickly connect it to my PC and show you how it looks like. Oh ho ho, now that looks pretty nice, right? Look at the RGB lighting over here. And guess what? RGB lighting is also like fully customizable. You can adjust the brightness, you can change a lot of different lighting effects, you can even change the speed of the lighting effect as well. Everything from onboard function keys. No need to even install any sort of software. Though you're also getting Rapoo software also, which you can download from their website. Clicking the function plus print screen button will cycle through different RGB lighting effects available over here. Very nice and attractive, I would say. And not only that, you can even adjust the Rapoo logo lighting separately, guys. You can easily do that using function and scroll lock combination. If you want to adjust the brightness or speed of the lighting, you can use function plus up or down or left or right arrow keys. Now let me talk about the comfort and usability of the keyboard. Quality of the keys and key caps is also good. As I've told you, ours is the brown mechanical switch variant, and basically brown switches have a tactile sort of feedback. Though personally I really love blue switches, and on my personal keyboard also have blue switches only. Blue switches make a lot of noise and give you that tactile and clicky sort of feel. Brown switches are also like very close to blue but not that noisy, I would say. So if you're like a coder, a programmer, right, basically you use a lot of computer in your office, right, you people will really like the kind of feedback these brown switches will offer. And if you want to know how do these switches sound like, come closer. Anyways, overall comfort level was nice. I've actually been using this keyboard for like 5-6 days, and overall satisfactory experience is what I can say. And you might ask about the key switch manufacturers, right? Well, they're actually made in-house by Rapoo. They're Rapoo branded brown switches, and company has definitely done a good job. You're actually getting like 60 million click lifespan, guys. What more can you ask for this price point? And not to forget, the whole keyboard is also spill resistant. So even if you're like drinking water, sipping coffee, and something falls on the keyboard, nothing to worry about. It is spill resistant. One thing if I had to nitpick and say is there is no multimedia shortcut information on these function caps. I mean, yes, these function buttons do support all the multimedia actions, volume up and down, music play, pause, scroll, and also mute function, but you'll have to look at the user manual and memorize a couple of shortcuts if you use them a lot. There is nothing mentioned on the keycaps. Maybe they were actually going for a clean look on the keyboard, which is actually looking good, but if you use them a lot, as I've told you, you'll have to memorize certain combinations. Otherwise, there are chances you might get confused with these function keys. And now moving on, let me share you my gaming experience using this keyboard. Obviously, it's a gaming keyboard. How could you not game on that? I played a couple of games like GTA 5, Spider-Man, Doom, and also like Valorant as well. And gaming experience was fine. Again, though, it kind of depends on what sort of key switches you opted for. As I've told you, we went for a brown sort of switches, and these give you like a tactile feedback and have around like 4 mm key travel, which is like decent for a casual gaming experience. But if you're like a dedicated gamer, I would advise you to go for something like a blue switch option, because that is much more tactile and make a lot of noise, so gamers actually get that certain firm feel that they've actually pressed the keycap. And one more really good feature I liked on this model is it does support anti-ghosting as well, so no key conflict. What happens is when you're pressing a lot of keys simultaneously on budget keyboards, right, they do not register all the inputs because they don't have anti-ghosting support. But that is not the case over here. No matter how many keys you press simultaneously, it will register all the inputs without fail. So a really good feature for the price point. Well, that's it, our video on Rapoo V500 Pro RGB backlit mechanical gaming keyboard. Value for money product, guys. Beautiful looks, available in like 6 to 7 dual tone color scheme options also, with white LED or RGB backlit combinations. Choice is up to you. Build quality is nice, spill resistant. You're getting multiple mechanical key options, RGB lighting, fully customizable, and quality of the keys is also nice. 60 million click lifespan, and as I've told you, pricing is only around 2,499 rupees. The only thing, as I've told you, if I had to nitpick, is there is no multimedia shortcut information mentioned on the function keys. Apart from that, everything else was good. So I'll leave links for that in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.